my sister this time. Hey, tell us. Okay. We're gonna play Piggy. What do you mean no? What do you want to play? Like what? Uh-uh. Fine. Seven. Wait. I'm gonna search up YURUB. Hey, we're joining my sister right here. Look at her channel. She has a channel. If you've seen this girl channel, you better look at her channel. Why were you dying from this game? What's about this game, huh? Is that Among Us? It's Taco Tuesday? How do you ever get that taco? You're the luckiest one who got the... Oh, this game is so... I got caught from the laser. I didn't jump. Whoa, let's go escape. Are you seriously? Oh! Press the button. Yay, I pressed the button. A flash! Woo! It's so easy. Ah! I'm pressing the button. What is this one, huh? Ah! You jumped! Before you get sucked up in that hole. And I did it. Or I died. Abby! Hurry up or the lava comes. I don't know what to do. Oh, that was easy. Press the button. What is this? Oh, I know that. Look, it's dumb. Yeah, you know them. The coffin dance. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, I know the song actually says. Let's go. Let's go here. That's the song. Wait, I gotta reset. Yeah. Survived from Jeff the Killer. Yeah, run for Jeff the Killer. What the heck? Where the heck is Jeff Killer? I see Jeff the Killer! Is that the guy who killed you? Why is Jeff the Killer here? Survive from Jeff the Killer. See, look at it. I survived. I win. What obby is this? Do the possible obby. That's why you should do the obby before you get that. You done it? Like that. I pressed the button. Why we both die always? Okay, flash again. Ah! You suck. Choose a color. You couldn't choose a color to land on, Yoda. That's why we survived. Wait, try to say go up there for our big reward, the giant coin. Woo! Yes, I'm on it! Shoot. Someone already took the giant coin. Think fast. Get on this before you get lava. Good. You survived that. Dude, watch out from the wall. What wall? Dude, what wall is he? Ah! I did not know what kind of wall he was talking about. Why you here, huh? I'm doing it. No! Why you keep getting stuck? No, someone got. Don't think about someone pressed that button. Oh, I know this one. Oh, look. Come to me, mama. Oh, sugar, mama. Oh. Oh! I did not know how I died. Peanut butter jelly time. Dance. Oh, you said dance. Okay, I will dance. I will dance. Slashy dance. Watch how far. Holy shoot. To be safe. We're the only ones that are safe, right? He's trying to run. Don't dig out! Pressing the button again. Where is it? Come at me. You want me to start the video? Yeah, look at the tray. How hard could this obby could be? I thought I'd say.